Today it's all about eating the rainbow, and I made some spring rolls today. Not only really colorful on the inside, as you probably have seen them before, no, they're also colored on the outside, and it's super easy, and I'm going to show you how to make it now. Before we get into it, I just have a quick question for you. Dear food industry, why do we need artificial coloring? They're so bad for us, and all the colors are in the nature. This is made with Blue Spirulina powder. The yellow one I just made juice out of fresh turmeric. You maybe have seen these little things in the supermarket and you've always asked yourself what they are. So all the colors are out there in the nature, and we're gonna get into it right now. To start out with, I prepped all the veggies I found in the fridge, all these beautiful rainbow colors. Of course, you don't need to lay it out like I did. It's just amazing what nature has out there for us, all this variety in color, flavors and shapes. Really no need for artificial flavor and coloring in this world. If you also think so, please let me know in the comments down below. Now, of course, we need even more coloring for our rice paper wrappers, and I made these 6 juices. The blue one with Blue Spirulina powder, and here I just soaked some purple cabbage in water just to give it like a very light purple touch. Then I made turmeric juice, carrot juice, some green juice, some beet juice, and I really like to express myself with the food, so I don't really paint or do any other type of art, but I feel like this is my art and also kind of my type of meditation. So you really can get into it and spend a long time doing this, or just roll them up quickly with whatever you have in the house. That is obviously up to you. So let's get rolling, you guys. And all I can say now, eat the rainbow. And obviously we're gonna do a little taste test. I also made some peanut sauce with that, and let's dip it in there. Absolutely amazing, and also extremely pleasing for the eyes and not only for the stomach. And hit that subscribe button for more really colorful, beautiful vegan recipes. And thank you so much for being here today with me. I can't wait to see you very soon.